Hey, it's Adam Ward, the LED guy here, and this may be a little bit crazy background to run for a professional meeting or a Zoom meeting or a work meeting. I don't know, but I do some webinars and I do a lot of Microsoft Teams calls, and I was looking for something in my office that I could change the background color without having like these LEDs. So I got these Lumary string downlights. Okay, these are RGBIC, which means each one of the bulbs or LEDs can be a different color and they can switch in between colors. And so these string lights are able to do that. I'm really excited about this. This is the 30 light pack. Okay, and my plan is to jam as many of them as close to possible above my background and mount it on the ceiling. And to be able to do that, a couple other things. So you can use the app to control this. It's really nice, one-click switching, depending on what scene you want. If you wanted to do it to music, if you want to create your own thing, no problem, you can pick. That does have the music mode, so depending on the rhythm of your music, the lights will dance with the music, or your voice, perfect for parties or weddings or whatever. But I'm gonna put this in my office, and I probably won't use voice when I'm on the Teams meeting. And it does have the do-it-yourself function, which is nice. So you can change millions of different colors. You can adjust brightness. There's just a ton of options. Honestly, it's a little overwhelming for me. But very easy to install, they claim. And it's suitable for curves and corners. And it comes in two sizes. You can get the 15 light version or the 30 light version like I have here. It does have warm white too, so if you wanted to just light the background, that'll work. But this one's 33 feet long. My wall, I think, is like 15 feet long. So I'm going to be jamming it in half the distance to get it to fit, to have it be a little bit more even, a little bit more brightness on it down. Okay, so I actually made a floating shelf and mounted it on my wall. I wanted it lower so it could be the background right behind me for Zoom. You can see I'm using the remote control here instead of the app. You can use either one. I bundled them all together to get the most even appearance. You can see the remote's pretty simple here. You can change different modes on it. You can actually change brightness on it. You can do red, blue, and green instantaneously, and then it's got like a million different modes. I tested it on my Zoom window and actually turned out pretty good. Obviously, I'm not going to use something busy like this on a business call, but I can just have it slowly change colors. Use one of the do-it-yourself modes. I was just shocked at how it turned out, how it looks on the wall, how bright it can get, how dim it can get, and then just all of the options. I've been really impressed with it. This is a fantastic light set. I used all of the adhesives that were necessary to put this thing on, and you can see I butted them back to back. So this is about 5 feet, maybe a little over 5 feet that I jammed it in. So have fun with it. It's a great set.